Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 6. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad at Beria Foundation College Naushara Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to perform another practical that is based on the Microsoft Word. So to open the Microsoft Word, we press window key from our keyboard and go to the Microsoft Office Word. And as you find Microsoft Office Word in this menu, you will have to bring the cursor to select Microsoft Office Word 2007 and finally you will press enter key from your keyboard. Your Microsoft Word has been opened now. So dear students, in this practical we have typed some sentences about program, about software and its types, and we are going to learn about two features. Number one is grow font control plus greater than. Second one is shrink font control plus symbol is less than. So dear students, these two features are used to increase or decrease the size of the letters. So dear students, there are some sentences including the spellings of their fonts. So sentences are about the definition of software and its types, but the focus of these words is to increase or decrease the size of each letter in this description. So dear students, you see that here is a feature grow font. Grow font means to increase the font size, to increase the size of letters. So whenever you are going to perform an action on words or sentences in a document, so first of all you should select your text, then you will apply the function that you want to perform on these letters. So dear students, if you do not select the text, your action will not be performed on the words or the sentences that you want to be performed. So dear students, to perform an action on the sentences or any part of the text, you must select your text or paragraph from your document. So dear students, as you saw that I have selected all the letters and I am going to apply grow font. So dear students, when we will click on grow font means this feature will enable us to increase the size of our letters or fonts of each word, each sentences, whatever we have selected. Okay, so dear students, now we will click on grow font. Okay, so dear students, as you see that as you saw that in Calibri body font size of your letters were 24, but when you click on A, the size of all the fonts or letters has been increased. Second one is shrink font. Shrink font means to decrease the font size. Secondly, you will click on shrink font, the size of our letters will be decreased. Okay, so now dear students, let's click on shrink font. Dear students, as you saw in Grow font. The level or the size of our type text was 48, but when we click on sharing the font, the size of our type text decreased to 36. So dear students, in today's lecture we learnt about Grow font and sharing the font. Our lecture is ended here, and your homework is to perform some practicals at your home and send me its output on our WhatsApp group. So our lecture is ended here, is winded up, and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 6.